lines or no opening script?
No, you read the opening script and we'll have it.
Yeah, yeah. Cynthia, have them seated. Cynthia? Cynthia? Ravi? Ravi? Good afternoon, everyone. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it, try again, do the better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. This is your moment, own it. That was what Oprah Winfrey, whose inspiring words have befittingly defines Mass Mutual India's journey and underpins the reason we have gathered here today. Mass Mutual India has proved itself as an epitome of courage, resilience, and innovation. And it gives me immense pleasure to extend my hearty welcome to the honorable guests here on the stage, as well as my dear colleagues from Mass Mutual India, to this inauguration ceremony of Mass Mutual India. We're extremely honored and privileged to have the august company of our guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Industries and Commerce and Information Technology, Government of Telangana. Our chief guest, Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, Principal Secretary of the Industries and Commerce and Information Technology Departments, Government of Telangana. Shri M. Mahendra Reddy Garu, IPS, Director General Police, Hyderabad. Shri Joel Refman Garu, Consul General, US Consulate General, Hyderabad. And Shri Ravi Tangirala Garu, Head of Mass Mutual India. And all my other colleagues and the dignitaries that have come here to join us and given us this precious time. My name is Yadukishore Nandikola, and I head the HR function for Mass Mutual India. Today is a proud moment for all of us here as we celebrate the formal inauguration of our office. And this will be remembered in the entire history of Mass Mutual India, and it is a great momentous event for all of us. I now call upon our honorable guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, to speak a few words with us. Okay, I'll request Ravi to open the conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Yadu. First of all, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. I know some of my colleagues are watching this live from Romania as well as US. Honorable guest, K.T. Ramarao Garu, Joel Refman Garu, Mahendra Reddy Garu, Jayesh Ranjan Garu, all the friends, colleagues, dignitaries, press, and all the others. Welcome to Mass Mutual India. I'm out of words because it's such an overwhelming experience and overwhelming situation where the thought became a reality within a very short span of time. Just going a few months back, we were in the board meeting talking about, hey, how do we take this 170-year-old organization, a Fortune 100 organization, outside of Massachusetts and establish the Global Capability Center purely to attract the global talent. And that thought actually came in because I came from World Bank. The thought process was very easy. We said, okay, now we know the countries where we want to go to. And we actually, a group of us came here to do the recce. We had a list of cities to see and evaluate which one to pick. One request that we got is, let's start with Hyderabad. We came to Hyderabad and we went back from Hyderabad to US. The decision making was very, very easy. It's not only because of the infrastructure, the buildings, the roads, the ring road, the airport, the connectivity, the talent, the universities, all that. On top of all this, the warmth in people, the welcoming nature in people, the cohesiveness that you get among all the industry leaders. I worked in almost 170 plus countries. I have never seen that in any country or the city. The ecosystem that we have here is truly overwhelming. I still remember the first meeting that I had with Jayesh Ranjan Garu. The day we landed, he essentially took time to come for a breakfast meeting to explain about the beauty of Hyderabad and the ecosystem, why Hyderabad should be considered. And immediately we met with K.T. Ramarao Garu, and the adoption, that he shows towards any new company that wants to come towards Hyderabad is truly overwhelming. He's a friend for so many people and so many companies and so many countries. Very genuine relationship, genuine partnership, genuine words, which really attracts these global companies to, easily identify where they should land. Then Mahendra Reddy Garu is a mentor, a pillar of support for me from several years. And he himself took time to explain my whole leadership team. We spent almost 2 hours in his office. And he explained the security system, the infrastructure, and what kind of support the police system provides to the employees. Truly overwhelming. And we spent a day with all these leaders, and rest of the 2 days we just had fun and went back because the decision is made by the time. And it's truly, the people that can't even spare a minute, because they have such a busy schedule, they gave their plenty of time to make us, take that decision. Long story short, we are here, and we are probably one of the very few entities that started and running during this pandemic. We started, actually, I was in Delhi in January 6th of 2020, signing the paperwork, and we ran our first payroll in the month of March. So within 2 months and 2 weeks, the system that is in India, in Hyderabad, in Telangana, enabled us to go from paperwork to payroll within such a short span of time. It's not easy. We are a heavy regulated organization. We are in the life insurance space. So we have state and federal bodies that we need to make sure we are in compliance with. With all that, without even spending a penny, we are able to establish this organization, except I paid a big check for my legal firm. Apart from that, the support was truly, truly amazing. And now we are 1,100 strong. That was yesterday. And we are growing very fast. We started with this facility. We thought of having around 500 people to begin with for next 3-4 years. But within 6 months, we increased the demand to 1,000. And as a matter of fact, we exceeded. And we said we'll take 1 floor, but now we are in 2. And we are growing to another 2. So we'll be in 4 floors, in 3 lakh square feet, and with constant growth. And that could not have been possible without the great support that we got from you guys. This reminds me of the Matsyavatara, Every vessel that we take, we are essentially growing. And I want to say, a few things about the ecosystem. So it's not about taking, right? We want to give it back to the society as well. Being a firm with a lot of credibility and ages of experience, we want to give it back to the community. So as a part of advisory committee to the Telangana state, we are bringing that experience and exposure and want to be a brand ambassador of Hyderabad to give that knowledge to the new companies that want to come in. And we are playing that role. We want to create a playbook that essentially makes all this process very simple, where we can say, here is the guide, and go with it. And also, we are a part of the educational ecosystem. We have signed several MOUs, and we are planning to establish Educational Center of Excellences in multiple universities and colleges here, where we provide the training, to the candidates, right from second, third, and final years. And we want to create that workforce, not just for MassMutual, right? And we want to make them industry ready by the time they come out. there is always a gap between the cup and the sip, between the education system and the corporate. So we want to establish that connect. And also, we are very closely working with Telangana State for the BFSI sector. Just few days back, we kicked off with almost 50 plus entities, where we want to bring all the BFSI sector companies and bring the value to the community. And also, being a part of NASSCOM GCC Council, we are trying to help to bring other GCCs into the state and the city. And we are very closely working with other bodies like HISIA, NASSCOM, AmCham, and all that. We want to play a vital role. And as a part of corporate social responsibility, we are working with Choice Foundation to take care of unprivileged children that are, that need that treatment and care. So there are a lot more, and we want to take and we want to give at the same time. And that's what our philosophy is. Live Mutual is our philosophy. And we want to stick to it and pretty much grow and contribute to the ecosystem here. Because of the time constraint, I don't want to go, really long. I can't end this meeting thanking the wonderful support that we got from the state government, from the police system, from the administration, from the US-India relationship critical channel, which is a consulate, and also wonderful support that we got from the builder. Subba Reddy garu is here. He's a fabulous support for us. And my wonderful leadership, I can't say enough things about them. They are like pillars of support for me. Whether I'm in the seat or on the screen, they're always there. And they are musicians, they are not my leadership team. And my wonderful MassMutual family members, here in India and also in other parts. And the great support that I get from my leadership team, Roger Crandall, Gareth Ross, Sears Merritt, Arthur Real, they're always there. They gave me the liberty to run this, organization without any fear. So big thanks. Last but not least, the support that I get from my wonderful better half, Sailaja, my kids, Pratik and Pragna, who are essentially playing the both, wife and husband role back home, which is enabling me to travel probably every other week to India and perform what I'm doing. And for all of you, thank you so much for coming. And truly an honor and truly a delighted moment for you being here and this interaction. Andarki శిరస్సు ఉంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను మీ అందరి టైంకి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much, Ravi, for the wonderful speech. You never cease to inspire us. I'll now request our guest of honor, Shri K.T. Ramarao garu, to come and speak a few words, please.
Thank you, guys. Andarki namaskaram. Good afternoon. To Honorable Consul General of the United States of America in Hyderabad, Joel Reifman. Joel, you've been a great friend of, most all the American companies and all the initiatives that they've taken to enter India. Thank you very much for being a great friend for Hyderabad and for Telangana. Honorable Director General of Police, Shri Mahendra Reddy garu. Honorable Principal Secretary of Industry, IT and Commerce, Shri Jayesh Ranjan garu. And to our dear friend and to your leader and to the man who brought MassMutual to Hyderabad, Ravi Tangirala. I think he deserves a big round of applause too on making this happen. As Ravi quickly mentioned, let me also just quickly recap a couple of things. Our conversation started, I think it was sometime in January 2020, right before the pandemic. And within no time, I think the decision was quick. The leadership team did not waste time. I'm talking about the global leadership team of MassMutual. I know they're based in Boston. I would like to extend my gratitude and wholehearted thanks to them, because but for their support and but for their quick decision making, it would not have happened. And thank you, Ravi, for not going to any other city other than Hyderabad. And thank you for also spending some money and partying in Hyderabad. Like you said, you came here for 3 days, but you spent 1 day, and then the remaining 2 days, he said he shopped and partied. So good. I'm glad that Hyderabad also has that social infrastructure for you guys to actually spend some money and loosen your purse strings as well. Once you come to Hyderabad, you'll realize a couple of things. Not just because Ravi is from this part of the world, but also there's no other city that really can compare with Hyderabad in terms of what it has to offer in the value proposition sense. If you look at all the Indian cities and compare Hyderabad to them, we offer the biggest bang for the buck, because If you look at Bangalore versus Hyderabad, we have better infrastructure and our costs are lower, and we have better traffic also. And for those of you who are from Bangalore, just wanted to rub that in. For those of you who are from Delhi, let me remind you that your pollution is terrible. We are a far better city. For those of you who are from Chennai, your humidity is terrible. We are far better. For those of you who are from Bombay, you know, the less said the better it is. Your commercial real estate prices are ridiculous. You guys need to take a serious relook at it. Our builders, our constructions here are far superior and far more economical. And most importantly, I think Mercer, an organization that rates cities on a livability index, has consistently rated Hyderabad as a city with the best quality of living among Indian cities for the last 5 years in a row. So we are a very safe city. We're a very safe city because our policing, our law and order is extremely efficient. We have stable government and able leadership which looks at leveraging emerging technologies, which is very progressive when it comes to adoption of institutions and adoption of newer ideas. So when Ravi came in with several ideas, we said not only will we ensure that you get a good grounding experience here, but we'll also ensure that our local industry also laps it up. So therefore, he's now become an important piece, an important cog in the wheel, for the entire BFSI sector. Recently, Jayesh Ranjan has held a meeting with all the large companies. Delighted that Mass Mutual, in fact, is another Fortune 100 company which has joined, several others in Hyderabad, and most of them, of course, are American. Now, just thinking about BFSI sector, banking, financial services, and insurance sectors. These are extremely important sectors in today's world, and in a world where we are plagued with uncertainty, pandemic, and where we have had to go through several uncertainties over the last couple of years. Insurance, in fact, becomes a very, very important sector, and this applies to all of humanity, not just Telangana or India, but all of humanity. One suggestion I do have for Ravi and also Jayesh is that possibly we can start looking at, because IRDA also is headquartered in Hyderabad. The Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of Government of India is also headquartered in Hyderabad, not in Delhi or not in Bombay. One of the things we could potentially look at, since you mentioned further penetration into the market, Ravi, is actuarial sciences. In fact, we are lacking in actuarial sciences in India. One of the areas where we could potentially look at, Jayesh can help you with a connection to the Higher Education Council. Actuarial sciences, if you are keen, if Mass Mutual is keen, we can have you as a knowledge partner. We can look at what is being taught elsewhere in the world, in the United States and other parts of the world as well. And we can create more employment opportunities for our young children, for our young students here. So BFSI is an important sector, but I think the talent pool that Ravi spoke about is even more important. Hyderabad today is inviting and welcoming of people from all over the country and all over the world. In fact, I was just talking at ISB before this event, and I was telling a lot of venture capitalists there that we are a truly cosmopolitan city. In our city, stand-up comedians get a open invite. We don't cancel shows of Munawar Farooqi and Kunal Kamra just because we are not aligned with them politically, all right? So we truly are welcoming. We are truly welcoming. And I'm just saying that to those people who are listening in from Bangalore or those people who are from Bangalore. You claim to be a cosmopolitan city and then you end up, taking comedy very seriously. I don't understand that at all. So therefore, we're a truly cosmopolitan city who's welcoming of all cultures, who's welcoming of criticism. You can come here, criticize government. In fact, we receive a lot of brickbats from our opposition every day, but we are very tolerant. Trust me. So therefore, to all those who are wanting to come to Hyderabad and make this your place, make this your home, we welcome you. And of course, with more and more opportunities and with more and more investments coming in, I think Hyderabad is truly growing and becoming truly a global city. Thank you, Ravi, for all your business. But one request I do have for you. I think as we grow, as Hyderabad and as cities grow, our infrastructure, tends to become a challenge because, the pace at which we are growing versus the pace at which we can add infrastructure, there is a huge mismatch. So one of the things that Telangana government has been espousing and has been promoting is tier 2 towns like Warangal, like Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Nalgonda, Mehboob Nagar. We have really built plug-and-play infrastructure there, and we've been promoting tier 2 towns in a big way. Our goal is to create 50,000 jobs in tier 2 towns in the next 5 years. And we already have had good response from Tech Mahindra, from Cyient, from Mindtree. And yesterday, in fact, Genpact came forward to set up an office in Warangal. Ravi, since you are from this part of the world, I urge you, I implore you to also consider expanding into tier 2 towns so that our youngsters from those towns also get wonderful opportunities. So I urge Mass Mutual India to start looking at tier 2 options as well. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir, for the deeply inspirational and thought-provoking speech. We're given to understand that our guest of honor has some prior commitments. So in the interest of time, we'll request our guest of honor as well as the chief guests to cut the ribbon and formally announce the launch of Mass Mutual India office. May we request the ribbon to be brought up here? We have a classic style of ribbon, the Mass Mutual India. May I request the leaders of Mass Mutual India also to join us on the stage, please? Manoj Vallam, Head of HR for ETX, please join us on the stage. All the other leadership from Mass Mutual India.
So is there like a procedure top to bottom or bottom up or what? Bottom. All right, cheers. And some of you guys to join me.
Sachin Rajesh.
By the way, each of you is paying $1,000 fine after this because you're not. Thanks, Ravi. That was unique.
Thank you, everyone. May I request the guests to be kindly seated, please? May I now request our chief guest, Shri Joel Riefman, to speak a few words with this gathering. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you. I'm also honored to share the stage with my good friends, the Honorable K.T. Rama Rao, and of course, Principal Secretary Jayesh Ranjan, who really are the architects of Telangana's prosperity and real problem solvers because, I've worked all around the world and, there are other places where you call the government for help, an American firm needs, and there's a very long phone line. And here, there's immediate results and common sense problem solving. So I'm very grateful for that. And I also understand that I'm addressing Mass Mutual folks in Cluj and in Bucharest. And Bucharest was my first assignment, so bună dimineața. And but I just want to congratulate Mass Mutual. From 1851, a legacy company, and it joins over 140 U.S. firms in Hyderabad. And so I think it's really just great. And so, I know I'm being redundant on many of the themes espoused here, but if you read this week's India Today, they rate the states. And if you look at the state with the best economy, the large state, it is Telangana. And so it's really quite astonishing that since Telangana's inception in 2014, there have been, correct me if I'm wrong, $33 billion in foreign investment here. And you really see that. You see it even during the lockdown, infrastructure continued to get built, and that's extremely impressive. And this is now the number 4 locomotive of India's economy, accounting for 5% of GDP. So it's really, really tremendous. And so, again, I want to thank you because this represents a broader theme in that you have a growing U.S.-India partnership. There are 4 million Indian Americans, And so you see that interchange and so much of what we're doing and so much of what happens in Hyderabad, because Hyderabad is a microcosm of the relationship. So the cooperation in defense, where you have Boeing and Tata and Boeing and Lockheed in partnership with Tata. You have in pharmaceuticals, a third of the world's vaccines are made here in Hyderabad. And of course, in IT and IT services with marquee companies like Amazon and Facebook and Microsoft having their largest footprint outside the United States right here in Hyderabad. So I've really enjoyed it. And so people who look at India broadly, I'll just conclude with this. There is Hyderabad, I really try and work to push Hyderabad's identity every day. And I'll tell you why. Because absolutely, because people who look at India in a glancing blow can't distinguish Hyderabad geographically or in time. And what does that mean? Because I'm recruiting people to work here, and so they say, oh, well, it's crowded and polluted, and it's like, no, do your homework on Hyderabad. Yeah, that I can't say, or they'll say, well, Hyderabad, there's nothing there. There's pearls and biryani, and I'm like, no, that's 40 years ago. And so it's a continual education. It's a continual education project. But having great companies like MassMutual here join all the other great American companies who are here. We're very pleased, and the story of Hyderabad and Telangana is certainly growing. So thank you very much. I'm honored to be here.
Thank you, Mr. Joel, for sharing those wonderful words with us. We'll now felicitate our chief guest here, Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu. And I think I'm understanding that he'll have to leave. Yeah, so we'll do the honors to felicitate our guest of honor. May I request Ravi to do the honors, please. May I now request Shri Jayesh Ranjan Garu to share a few words with this gathering.
Somehow there's some earthing issue. It's kind of hitting me. No problem. No. Thank you. So, very good afternoon, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. I would also like to congratulate MassMutual for setting up their development center in India, in Hyderabad. It's a very proud moment for all of us. And the numbers which Ravi shared, that they started small with around 200 people, they have grown to 1,100, is indeed very impressive. Also positions Hyderabad very strongly in the BFSI sector. And Ravi is not here, but I would like to mention this to others, that for the last few months, we have been trying to consolidate our strengths in the BFSI sector. And very recently, we have created a consortium of all the BFSI companies which exist in Hyderabad, and we are working together. And Ravi plays a very integral role in that consortium, because for a new company to succeed so quickly in Hyderabad is a very impressive story. And if the story is told by someone who has actually lived through it, it makes it all the more credible, instead of someone who is not from that company speaking about it. Let us say, if I speak about it as a government representative, it will have some value, but much more value if Ravi himself tells that story. So these are certain things that we are working together. Minister pointed out about the need to deepen the BFSI talent which exists. That is actually one of the 4 thrust areas that we have chosen. on behalf of the consortium, how to work with the colleges, with the universities to create more talent. As Minister also pointed out, we have IRDA, we have other institutions like IRDA also, like the IIRM, like the IRDBT, and so on and so forth, and the NPCI. So how do we bring these institutions also? Some of these are promoted by the Government of India, but how do we ensure that the local companies interact closely with these institutions for mutual benefit? And that is again a target that is given to this consortium. And of course, the outreach. While there are large number of companies already here, there are many other companies also who are still not yet sure about India, who have lots of uncertainties and trepidation about India. So how do we break that ice and start a dialogue with them? And again, the consortium is going to play a very important role. So I'm very happy that while MassMutual itself definitely will have a very flourishing journey while they are in Telangana, they will also enrich the BFSI space and help the state in other ways also. So my deepest congratulations to the entire team, and as usual, on behalf of the government, we commit our fullest support in the exciting times that are going to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jayesh Garu. May I now request our guest of honor, Shri M. Mahender Reddy Garu, to share a few words with his audience.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests on the dais, off the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It's a proud privilege for me to be here for the grand entry of MassMutual into Hyderabad, led by Ravi, a great friend of mine. And it's a passionate journey. Since he joined MassMutual, we had been having discussions how to have a footprint in Hyderabad, and then he has been sharing with me what has been happening on this front. And as far as the government of Telangana is concerned, the government truly believes that peace and public order is an essential prerequisite for development and welfare of the people. And that being the motto for the last 7 years plus, the government of Telangana has been investing hugely in public safety and security, apart from all other infrastructure. And we would like to be the best state in terms of safety and security standards. Telangana Police, with the support of the government, have been in the forefront in use of technology as force multipliers. We have the city being ranked as one of the most livable cities by Mercer, as pointed out by the Honorable Minister for IT just now, for the last 5 years. One of the critical ingredients, the elements of this indexing is the safety and security. So we feel proud and honored that Hyderabad has been the safest place in India among the metropolis. And it has been the endeavor of the government and the police department that we would like to have the investments from all over the world, the best of the entrepreneurs, best of the companies come here, make their investments, then the state develops, the people get benefited out of this. We also contribute for the GDP of the country. Here, the police department, we work in close partnership with the industry. We have Cyberabad Security Council, started long time before when I was Commissioner of Police here. And we have a continuing partnership between police, the IT industry, now all industries together, and also all the government departments led by IT. Jayesh Ranjan has been a great bulwark and great support for the entire activities of the Cyberabad Security Council. And we have seamless communication. During the lockdown, when the first lockdown, the day it was enforced here, everybody was caught unawares throughout the country. But then Hyderabad was the first to ensure that the entire infrastructure seamlessly is transferred to the homes of each individual executive working in these companies, within 24 hours to 48 hours. It was possible because of the, you know, effort made by the Cyberabad Security Council and also the industry, the government. Especially Jayesh was driving it day in and day out, and we have been able to support that cause and then ensure that. So that way, come what may, we stand for this safety and security of the people, especially the employees working in the IT sector. And as far as the women's safety is concerned, we have excellent process-based schemes like the SHE teams, the Bharosa centers, then the SHE dedicated vehicles. Like that, we have several initiatives wherein the safety and security of women is given the highest priority by the government at the highest level. In fact, the Honorable Chief Minister, in the very first month of the formation of the state of Telangana, he came up with this idea of a special purpose a vehicle or a committee which looks after this women's safety, and then it is continuing to make strides in this regard. And as a part of that, we established the SHE teams which operate in incognito. They are available everywhere in the society. They keep watching for anyone, and then ensure that we reach out to the distress, woman in distress or any emergencies. So as a part of that, government also has strengthened this emergency response management system. At one time, the government has given us almost 20,000 vehicles all over the state to have the rapid response system. And therefore, today we have 5 minutes as the average response time in Hyderabad and 10 minutes all over the state average. So we want to give that confidence that anywhere, anytime, any citizen, irrespective of whether they know somebody, do not know somebody, whether they are poor, rich, as a level playing field, every citizen must have the protection of the police department 24/7, 365 days. That is a goal which we have been driving it with the support of the government, and we have been able to achieve it to a large extent. We are also driving through functional vertical system, a uniform service delivery across the state, one service, one experience for all citizens at all times. As far as the policing services are concerned, we would like to be benchmarked among the best of the police organizations in terms of service delivery. So I feel proud that Mass Mutual, yet another American company, has come to Hyderabad and then is going to be with us, and we feel very honored, and we cherish this moment. And I congratulate Ravi and all his able leadership who are present here, who have been able to grow the company so fast through the COVID times. And then I also credit to all the stakeholders and partners and all those who are in the government who have facilitated it to happen so fast. I thank you, Ravi, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Sir, if you don't mind, we are law-abiding citizens and company. For violating the law, for not having the mask, for a good reason, we'll definitely contribute towards the Police Welfare Foundation or whatever the penalty entity is. We will definitely make sure we contribute to that. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Sri Mahendra Reddy Garu. Now, throughout this journey, as we built Mass Mutual India, there are many vendor partners who have relentlessly worked and brought us this stage. We'd like to take this opportunity to recognize them. May I request Sri Jayesh Ranjan Garu and Mr. Ravi to do the honors. As I call out the vendor partner names, we'll request those individuals to come on the stage and receive the recognition, please. Coming up first is our landlord/builder for all their cooperation and support extended during the build-out of this office. May I request Mr. B. Subba Reddy and Mr. Ramesh Gopagiri to join us on the stage, please. Please continue cheering for them. Congratulations to the entire team of Amsiram Builders. May I now request A. Janardhan Reddy from Royal Infra to receive the award, our general contractor, for supporting in building this beautiful office and going the extra mile during the COVID pandemic time and completing the project on time. Please put a huge round of applause for Mr. A. Janardhan Reddy and team. Hearty congratulations to the entire Royal Infra team. Coming up next is our housekeeping and maintenance staffing partner for the undying support during the entire pandemic time for keeping our office premises spick and span. May I now request Mr. Y. Srinivas from Fast and Handyman Infra Services Limited to receive the recognition. Congratulations to the entire FNH team. Coming up next is our recruiting partner who's helped us hire talent, awesome talent, and helped us rapid at a very fast pace and helped us build this organization. May I now request Hemant Gullapalli and Swarupa Gorantla from People 360 Consulting Private Limited to receive this recognition. Congrats, People 360 team. Coming up next is another recruiting partner who's helped us hire awesome talent and supported us in the organization growth. May I now request Mr. Lax Chepuri from Technogen Private India Limited to join us on the stage, please, and receive this recognition. Congratulations to the Technogen team. Our partner for corporate social responsibility and helping us showcase Mass Mutual as an organization that cares. Through Choice Foundation, we've got an opportunity to support underprivileged children in India. May I now request the Choice Foundation directors to join us on the stage, please. Dr. Satish Kanta, Mr. Shobu Yarlagadda, Mr. Sanjay Gaddipati, Ms. Madhavi Chalasani, and Mr. Bhaskar Reddy Garu. We request all of you to join us on stage, please, receive this recognition. Okay, my apologies. Mrs. Rupa Ganta as well, please join us on stage. Thank you, Choice Foundation team. Our company transport partner, who's always gone the extra mile in supporting us with the transport requirements even during peak COVID times. May I now request Mr. Randir Mangar and Mr. Kuldeep Singh to join us on stage from Eurocabs to receive the award, please. Congratulations to the entire Eurocabs team. Our partners from the Special Economic Zone who've helped us set up this unit in ITES ICZ unit and have always helped us with smooth online ICZ clearances. May I now request Mr. Chakradhar Namadi to join us on the stage, please, and receive the award on behalf of the entire ICZ family.